What's up guys? In this video, you are going to learn how to make a professional logo without Photoshop. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How, and I help people learn how to use technology to build an online business and create a life of freedom. And every online business or website, of course, needs a logo. But they don't just need any logo, they need a professional logo. They need a logo that looks quality, that looks like it was, made with Photoshop. But maybe you don't have Photoshop. Photoshop isn't cheap, I get that. It's like, what, 10 bucks a month or 50 bucks a month if you get the Creative Cloud. So it's not a cheap program by any means. Now, there are a lot of ways to create a logo for free. And I know you're not gonna wanna hear this, but I'm going to show you the best way to create a professional logo without using Photoshop. Now, the best way to create a logo without using Photoshop is to not create a logo. Now, I know that sounds ridiculous, but let me explain. The best way to create a logo without Photoshop is not for you to make the logo. It's to pay someone else to make the logo for you. Now, wait. Don't freak out on me right now. I'm not suggesting that you go out there and spend $300 on someone to make you a logo. Of course not. What I do suggest though, is paying someone $5 or $10 to make a far better logo than you could probably make. The way that you're going to do this is through Fiverr. Fiverr is an online website where you can find and outsource work to people around the world. These are very talented people that are very skilled in their craft, and they will work for very, very cheap. So you can find really good deals for a lot of different types of work. So I'm right here on Fiverr in logo design, and I'm gonna see what kind of options we have available here. Now, don't get me wrong, you're gonna find some options that are like, in the hundreds of dollars, and they're probably gonna give you this big branding kit and all sorts of other things. But you can find sellers that will sell logo design for like $10 or less. I'm gonna search over here in the price range, $5 to $10, and see what we can find. Look right here. We've already got a bunch of different options right here for logo design, and they're only $10. Let me see if I can find one here that has a pretty good review. Here we go. Minimalist logo. Look at these logos. Simple, yet creative. Probably something that you might not be able to come up with yourself, or maybe you don't have the skills to do it yourself with a free platform. You can get something cool and trendy like one of these logos right here. This is all their previous work. Look at these. For $5. Literally, for $5, you don't have to do anything. You give them $5, they'll give you a professional logo. Okay? That's what I recommend doing if you don't want to use Photoshop. If you don't want to spend money to make a logo, like if you don't want to subscribe to a software to design your own logo and spend an hour slaving over it, pay someone $5 to do it themselves. I guarantee you've spent $5 on a pizza or a hamburger or a cup of coffee or something in the last 30 days. Skip a hamburger, get yourself a professional logo. That's going to be the best, most time-efficient way and the most cost-effective way to get a professional logo for your blog or website. So I've got a link right below this video that'll take you right to Fiverr, where you can find some people, you can message them, you can ask for their work, and you can find really cheap people to design a logo for you. And if you don't want to pay someone $5 to make a professional logo for you, there are other platforms available. A simple Google search for free photo editor will probably come up with a bunch of different platforms and websites you can use to design a logo. Photor, I've actually done a logo on there for YouTube channels. You can look on my channel, I've got other videos about that. Let's see, Impixio, PizApp, free online photo editor, Canva, like there's all sorts of free programs online that will help you or you can use to design a logo for free. But in my opinion, paying someone to do it for you is going to save you time, and your time is money, so it ends up being cheaper than it would be to actually do it yourself. All right guys, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, make sure you subscribe because we've got some more videos on this channel to help you learn how to use technology to build an online business and create a life of freedom. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. We'll see you in the next video.